So here are all the working codes for Fish on Roblox. Now, this is a very simple tutorial because I'll just be showing you all of the codes. So, let's start by going to the menu and then scrolling down. There we go, until we find the codes section. Starting off, let's begin with the newest code, which is called sorry reward. So type in sorry, then reward. Make sure that S and R are capitalized, and there you go. You have now claimed 5 golden tentacles and some cash. The next new one is called the Kraken, in all caps, the Kraken. There you go. You'll get sunken ship bobbers and more cash, specifically 2.5k. And then the third newest one is called RFG, just 3 simple letters. You'll get 3 instant catchers and 2.5k cash as well. Now the fourth new one, Carbon, there we go. If you claim that, you'll get the Carbon Bobber. And then sorry guys, another sorry. There you go, sorry guys, but this time it's all in caps. You'll get 2 Kraken Tentacles and more cash. Now, those are the 5 newest codes. I'm going to show you all of the other codes that have been out for a while but are still available. So they are in this notepad right here. We already went through Sorry Reward, the Kraken, RFG, Carbon, and Sorry Guys. Let's move on to the Atlantean Storm. You will get 2 Hangman's Hooks and 1k. And then when you type Golden Tide, you will get 3 instant catchers. Goodbye Fishmas gives you 1 Aurora Bait and 3k cash. New Year gives you 2 Peppermint Worms and 2 Hollyberry. 1 B Visits gives you Party Popper Bobber, Aurora Bait, a title, and $1,111. RRG gives you 3 instant catchers. Northern Expedition gives you 2 Hollyberry, 3 Peppermint Worms, and 1k cash. So those are all the working codes for Fish. If you want to pause the video, you can do so as well. I'm going to slowly scroll through, and there you go. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.